Hey guys, welcome here to Sugar Shack GP round number 3. We're here on Strohmeyer Farm. It's a Ronnie's of Bennington sponsored race. This place is unbelievable. Wait till you see the footage. John is so pumped already. So we're ready to go. Even if we get some water, this place is going to be great. The parking, as you see, everything dried right out. It's been awesome up here all week. Just amazing. So here we go, guys. This is our Evans Extreme section. Redid our tires a wee bit. We got some logs, we got some culvert behind us over there. A lot of fun stuff. Huge thanks to John Adamy for coming back again. I got to make these good for him just so that he loves it, and this is making it really good. So he's on that new KTM, working out awesome. But yeah, here we go with that Ronnie's of Bennington. We got the Monty's Motorsports finish line. We're just setting that up right now over there. FXR. We got the K-Tech first turns going in. It'll be a downhill off camber first turn a little bit here, and then head out into the field section, into the woods. We got all new woods here. Wait till you guys see this footage. It is unbelievable. Good luck, everybody, and have fun.
There we go, guys. Sugar Shack GP. Up here in Colorado, Vermont. Ground's hosted by Ronnie of Bennington. Straight out into the cornfield. This track was awesome. Super fast, super fun. Got even more woods in it. Riding my KTM 250 SX. This is awesome. Blasting these cornfields. And head off into a new section of woods. This was part of the track last year. There's a ton of new lines. Feels like less roots and less drops. It looks like they did a bunch of skid steer work. Go left up the hill here. The Kiwis will exit left right there. Back into the woods down there. This was the verge last year. We were coming up this way. Carry a bit of speed. It's pretty wide through here. I'm sure the clouds will make it even wider, but bunch of little hoppy rocks and roots, pretty fun. Back up the hill. Head out into our grass track again, into the Evans Power Sports section. The easy section goes off to the right. Right there. Off to the right. And here's the extreme section. We got a tire double. Yep, finally jumped it this year. Do a huckabuck hog. And then back into some sick woods. Bunch of cool cheater lines through here. Bunch of rocks, gotta be careful. Wet down the bottom there. They really cleaned up all the hemlock spikers. This is a cool line over this tree. Definitely not the fastest line. But there's some fun stuff to do. The track's a little bit dry today, so if it rains, it'll only be a plus. Down the cart road, this will be part of his Poacher run, or his Poacher run, he's calling it. Up over this rock wall. This was the first section he came into last year, going backwards on it. Out into some more grass track for a second. All off camera. And then shoot back into the woods. This section's all new. We didn't ride this at all last year, and it's super fun. Goes in an off-camera hill here. back and forth between some trees. Try to keep your balance on the hill. It's super fun. About 10 different lines through there. Bunch of lines through here. This section's a little gnarly. Switching back and forth through the trees. Then we go back into a pretty sweet grass track section. Typical poacher, never makes it easy, all off camera, all these corn crops off. Oh, right hander, back up over the hill. Hopefully by the time the vlog goes out, it'll be all broken in. Up over the hill here. Back into the off-camera turn. Head up in the fence line. You do have to go slow through here. The transponder won't get scored. Head back out. There's the start. So that's a lap around. Round 3, Sugar Shack GP, Strohmeyer Farm. This one's hosted by Ronnie's of Bennington. I know that old man that used to race was really looking for that shout out this week on the camera. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hope we get a little water. But we'll see you all Sunday.